Have you ever loved something silently but only realized its value when it was in danger? For North India, that something is the Aravalli Mountains. They don't shout, they don't complain, but they silently protects us every day, every single day. And today, their future is a question mark. So, if you are not aware of, let me first tell you what are Aravalli Mountains. Aravalli is one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. Not just a tourist place, not just stones and rocks, it is a living, breathing protector. Recently, something important happened. The Supreme Court had changed how we define what counts as Aravalli Hills. And whenever we change definitions in law, real life changes too. The court accepted a rule that says only landforms above 100 meters height will be called as Aravalli Hills for legal protection. Sounds simple, right? But here's the reality twist. Most of the Aravalli landscape is below 100 meters. So technically, huge portion of this ecosystem may no longer be considered as Aravalli for protection. So why we should even care about this? These mountains stops the desert from swallowing cities. These mountains are like a shield. Without them, the Thar desert spreads. Dust storms increase. Land becomes drier. Cities become harsher to live in. They store water, not in bottles but underground. Aravali works like a sponge. It absorbs rainwater, stores it, and slowly gives it back to wells, lakes, and groundwater. We can easily conclude less Aravali equals to less groundwater, equals to water scarcity, struggling farmers, thirsty summers. They clean the air you breathe. As we already seen, they slow dusty winds. They trap dust. They reduce pollution. They cool the land. You know how bad Delhi pollution already is? Now imagine that without this natural shield. Furthermore, this is a home, not an empty land. These hills are not dead stones. They are homes to birds, animals, forests, nature. Destroying them is not development, it's eviction of nature. So, what's the real danger? The danger is not that tomorrow all hills vanish. The danger is when law protects less, greed acts more. More mining can happen, more land clearing, less protection, more damage, slow destruction, but permanent loss. Believe me, this is not about blaming anyone, it's about caring. We don't need to scream, we don't need to abuse anyone, we don't need to hate anyone. We need awareness, we need responsibility, we need love in our hands for our land. If we stay silent today, we suffer tomorrow. I request you to share awareness, support responsible policies, speak about Aravali, talk, question, care. You know, every voice matters, even yours. Aravali has protected us for thousands of years. Maybe now it's our turn to protect Aravali.